magnificent hands leads a smooth and lavish life without patience. It equips individuals with a good character, a big God, and dreams that propel them to their areas of specialty. It is with profound gratitude and a sense of duty that I stand before you today as the new head girl of Social Academy. I am Delin dzoto. With boundless admiration and heartfelt respect, allow me to extend my resounding welcome to you all, our visionary Dr. Fatima Maruta, our distinguished principal, respected staff members, all parents and students here present. To serve as Yet Girl is not merely an honor, but a solemn responsibility to lead by example, to advocate for the voices of other students, and to uphold the traditions and values of Social Academy. In the journey ahead, I pledge to be an unswerving leader who advocates for the aspirations and needs of each and every student in Social Sharon. I believe in the power of unity, and I am committed to lead and uphold the standards of Social Sharon. I believe in the power of education to transform lives, and I will work closely with faculty, administration, and I will work closely with faculty, administration, and fellow students to create a learning culture that is administrative, empowering, and inclusive. Excellence is not just a goal, but a mindset to lead and to help a school transform into a better one. Conclusively, I feel so much honored and humbled by the opportunity of being the head girl of this school. As we embark this journey, let's embark it with compassion